This tutorial provides a brief description of the features under the Marketing menu. The Marketing menu contains features related to marketing efforts for your listings. Marketing Activities will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing marketing activity records. Marketing activities are associated with availabilities, meaning lease or sale listings, and allow you to track your efforts to market your clients' listings, such as email campaigns, flyer mailings, call campaigns, social media posts, tours, addition to third-party listing services, and more. Marketing activity details can be included in progress reports for the property's seller or landlord. Press Release opens a list with filter options for finding and managing press releases. Signs will take you to a search form and list for finding and managing your sign inventory. Sign records track sign attributes, placement, and vendor details. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.